Hey you guys, I'm about to make something really cool, something you're probably not used to, but I'm about to make some mustard. So, you see these mustard seeds and this zinc sunscreen I have on my face? Anyways, I am about to make mustard. And you're asking me, why am I making mustard? Because why would you go all the way to the store to buy this when you can take literally 1, 2, 3 ingredients in an avocado that doesn't belong here right now? But why would you do that when you can do this in, 2 minutes, maybe 30 seconds? Let's see how it goes. Anyways, I found a recipe and I don't remember exactly the measurements, so I'll have to figure that out later. But I'm just so excited to experiment with this that we'll see how it goes. So these are the organic mustard seeds. I'm gonna put them into my mortar. I'm just gonna make a little bit because I don't know how this is actually gonna go. And then you basically just grind them up. And you could actually put them in a NutriBullet if you wanted them really finely ground, but I don't think I'm gonna try that for this first time. So I did that. You can't really see what's going on here, so I'll have to do this better next time. But anyways, you can see that they're pretty much ground up the way I want them to be, so I want it to be a little bit gritty. Yeah, so then what you're gonna do, even though this is way too far away, you're gonna get yellow mustard seed powder. I try to do everything organic. You don't have to. I had to special order this because I wanted a certain quality, but it doesn't really smell like much of anything. I usually use this in my Indian dishes when I make them, but anyways, we're gonna try a little bit in here. So we're gonna mix the powder in. I'm just shaking some in. I know for some people not having measurements is a problem, so I'll figure that out as I go. And then I'm just gonna mix that in, add a little bit of this. So this is raw apple cider vinegar, really good for you with the mother, so don't go get this unless it has the mother, otherwise you're not getting all the nutritional benefits out of it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. And then salt is optional, so if you're trying to watch your sodium levels, skip the salt because it's not necessary. But I'm not watching my sodium levels because I don't have an issue, so I'm going to shake a little bit of salt in here. And I almost forgot, you do need a little bit of water, so I'm gonna get some fresh spring water from around the corner, and there we go. Back with my water. Here's my... Maybe I should just do it right here because then you can see it better. I should have been doing this the whole time. This is a coconut I drank earlier, fresh. Yeah, it's healthy. Got a lot of nutrients in it. Electrolytes and antioxidants and all that. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water to start. And you can kind of see into the thing here that I'm mixing this up. And I don't think I even need any more water because it's already turning into like a really nice mustardy type of vibe. And let's see, did this work? Because that's all there is to this bad boy. So this is my mustard. It's a little bit too watery, so I'm gonna add a little bit more powder. And smells vinegary as crap, so I don't know. We might have to do another take on this one, but anyways, added a little bit more mustard because I don't want it too watery. And then I'm gonna taste it, and you're gonna taste it through the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Mine's a little bit thicker. You can see the mustard seeds in here because I didn't grind it out so it would be smooth. I kind of like the texture of the seeds. I did give it a taste test and this ain't gonna work. Okay, so I'm back and you're supposed to let this sit for like 10 minutes and it gives me the vibe of like Dijon mustard, a certain kind of like very pungent is that a word? Sort of vibe, but I don't know if I can work with this. Maybe a little bit. Maybe it'll like settle or cool off, or like the pungent taste will like kind of dissipate as it sits here. Otherwise, I'm not gonna make mustard again. I'm not even gonna try it again. So I realized what this actually tastes like. It tastes like great poupon mustard, but just the poop part.